Hey everyone, I am Sudha. Today I am going to explain parts of speech. Uh, Parts of speech is a term used in traditional grammar. There are 8 main parts of speech which are classified according to their function in sentence. Let us see which are those parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, uh, preposition, conjunction and interjection. First one is noun, second one is pronoun, third one is verb, fourth one is adverb, fifth one is adjective, sixth one is preposition, seventh one is conjunction, and the last one is interjection. Now I will explain first one, noun. Noun is a word which is used to name the people, animal, place and things. For example, I take one sentence. Here, Rama comes to school. Here, there are two nouns are there. Here, this is also noun and this is also noun. School is a noun and Rama is a name of the people, one of the person name, that is Rama is called as a noun. Again in the noun there are two types of noun. First one is common noun and the second one is proper noun. Common noun is a generic nouns. For example, student, teacher, these are all common words. Proper noun specifying particular name of the person animal, place or things. Here, taking the similar example, here Rama comes to school. Here Rama is a noun. Here specifying the name of the noun. The person name is Rama, so that this is a proper noun. And here school is a common noun. Because there is no particular name of the school, it is a here we referred only school. For that reason it is a common noun. This is all about noun. Now I will explain second one, that is pronoun. Pronoun is a word which is substituting the noun. Avoiding a repetition of a noun is called as a pronoun. Replacing noun is called as a pronoun. There are three types of pronoun is there are there. First person, second person and third person. First person is here I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Here I is a singular form, we is a plural form. You is a singular form and a plural form also you. He, she, it is a singular form and they is a plural form. Again in this there are four types of pronouns are there. Let us see which all those. First one is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. For example, I take some of the words myself, herself, himself, etc. In a sentence, if we get this type of words, these are reflecting the uh, pronoun is called as a reflexive pronoun. Second one is possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun are words which are possessive. to the pronoun. For example, mine, ours, yours. These words are called possessive pronoun. Third one is relative pronoun. Relative pronoun. Relative pronouns are words which questioning words are called as a relative words. Relative pronoun. Why, what, how. These all are called as a relative pronoun. And the last one is indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun are suppose in a sentence if we get this type of a words, anybody, everybody, anyone. This type of a words comes in a sentence. These are called as an indefinite pronoun. Now I am going to explain. Third one is verb. Third one is verb. Verb is a word which shows the action, state of being is called as a action, is called as a verb. State of being, action, words are called as a verb. For example, read, write, speak, eat. These words are verbs. For example, I take one example. She writes neatly. Here, writes is nothing but verb. Again, in the verb, there are two types of verbs are there. Let us see which all those. First one is main verb. Second one is helping verb. Here, suppose for example, I take one example sentence. Mm, she is coming to school. Here, main verb is coming. This is a main verb. Is a helping verb. Now I will explain fourth one, that is adverb. Modifying the verb is called as adverb. Nothing but addition to the verb. For example, slowly, quickly. These words are called adverb. For example, she writes quickly. Here, quickly is the adverb because ly, last addition to the verb, is called as a adverb. And the fifth one is adjective. Adjective is describing a noun and pronoun are called as a adjective. Describing noun and pronoun called as a adjective. For example, color red, size long, short, big, small. If this type of words come, color in the sense red color or any color, green, is called as a, these are called as adjectives. Examples. Suppose for example, I take one example sentence. The English book is big. The English book is big. Here big is what? Adjective. Because the English book is here proper noun or pronoun, noun or a pronoun. So how the book is big. So it is a describing about the English book is big. So this big is called as an adjective. May I know next one, next parts of speech. Sixth one is preposition. Preposition is a word which is used before a noun or a pronoun is called as a preposition. Before noun or pronoun. Before noun or pronoun called as a preposition. For example, on, of, before, behind, behind, in, out is called as a, these words are called as preposition. The book is, the English book is on the table. Here this is on is a preposition. Before the noun we are using here on word, so that this is a preposition. If we get in a sentence similar type of a words, these words are called as a preposition. Now I will explain seventh one. That is conjunction. Conjunctions are words which joins the phrases, clauses or sentences. Or sentences. Called as a conjunction. Suppose, for example, but, or, because. If we use these words in a sentence to join these phrases, clauses or sentences, those words are called as a conjunction. Here I am taking the but word. She drinks milk, but she but she but she avoid tea. Here but is a conjunction. Now I will explain. The last one is interjection. Interjection is a word which is used to say which is used to express the emotional feelings or exclamate in the exclamatory way. Wow. Oh, these words are called as a interjection word. Uh, of, uh, After writing the interjection word, we use a exclamatory sign. Wow. For example, I take one example. For example, wow, what a beautiful building. What a beautiful building. Here, wow is a interjection. This is all about a brief introduction about part of speech. Thank you for watching this video. Once again, I thank you.